Hello, and welcome to our Canadian Family Physician 2022 Highlight Reel. I'm Dr. Sarah Fraser, Associate Scientific Editor at CFP.
And I'm Dr. Nick Pimlott, Scientific Editor of CFP. In this short video, we'll reflect on some of our most impactful articles and podcasts, as well as a few other accomplishments from this year.
Let's get right to it with highlight number 1. In March, we published the peer group's Simplified Chronic Pain Guidelines. This evidence-based tool is designed to help with the management of chronic low back pain, osteoarthritic pain, and neuropathic pain. Even better, it was developed by primary care providers. In our medical readership information survey, more than half of respondents said they looked to CFP for clinical practice guidelines, and we hope that you found it useful.
That issue also featured important research and commentaries on concussion management, including Sarah's editorial about her own concussion ordeal. Sarah also hosted an incredibly interesting CFP podcast with hockey icon Dr. Haley Wickenheiser on this topic. It was our most popular episode this year with 1,500 unique downloads.
Speaking of the CFP podcast, we produced 18 episodes in 2022, the most we've ever recorded in a single year. Almost half of these podcasts had more than 1,000 downloads. We've tapped into fascinating topics, including the stigma in obesity, incorporating psychotherapy into primary care, and questioning the status quo in screening. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss an episode.
Yes, engaging with contributors and readers is important to us, so we've been thrilled to expand our social media presence this year and see the results in the numbers of people we're connecting with. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at CFP Journal.
Another area where we've been trying something new is with our cover artwork. One of our fabulous graphic designers, Michael Fong, has created a series of beautiful cover images to illustrate key themes in each issue. One of my favorites is the issue on peer review. How about you, Nick?
I quite like the June cover, Sarah. This captures the content of the journal really well, Rethinking Body Mass Index. But I also think November's cover reflects where we are in terms of the healthcare crisis really well. As we continue to navigate the pandemic, it's important to understand its impact on the system and on physicians as individuals. In that issue, we published an insightful research piece on family physician practice patterns during the second wave of COVID. It dispelled the myth that large numbers of practices were closed and that this article has received national media attention.
In our commentary section, we've been tackling diverse and emerging topics such as artificial intelligence in healthcare, environmental racism, and space technology in family medicine. We hope that you're finding this breadth of coverage interesting and helpful.
To finish our list on a celebratory note, we are pleased to have won 2 National Magazine Awards in 2022. Our Prevention in Practice series won gold in Best How-To Article or Series of Articles category, and Sarah won silver in Best Editorial for her article, Climate Change is a Health Issue. Congratulations, Sarah.
Thank you, Nick. We did a lot in 2022, and this list just scratches the surface.
Absolutely, and we have lots of great stuff in the works for the coming year.
And to our readers, we would love to know what articles or podcasts had an impact on you or your practice. You can email us, tweet at us, or even post a rapid response on the CFP website.
Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you in 2023.